Alright, this video applies for anyone who has a 2005 to 2012 Toyota Rav4 on how to find the cigarette 12-volt power outlet fuse. So you might be looking under the hood, under the side panels, and probably have a hard time finding it. So it's kind of hidden on this car. You actually have to go underneath the driver's footwell and look underneath, and it'll be there. It'll actually have this little cover on it, and if you look in this cover, it's gonna be number 23 on the fuse here. So you say 23, it says SIG, that's gonna be it there. It's kind of confusing because there's this accessory one here, and the owner's manual doesn't really help that much. But yeah, it's number 23 for SIG. And it also doesn't use your standard fuses. They're not just regular mini fuses. You gotta get these low profile mini fuses, which are these here. You should get yourself some quality ones like Little Fuse or Busman. It'll take a 15 amp fuse. I'll put a link below for this particular one. And you want to use, if you don't have a fuse puller, get yourself some long needle nose pliers. You'll be able to reach in there with the needle nose pliers and pull it out, and then put the new one back in. So there you go.